Namaste, dosto, to all my fellow founding members of the OnPassive family, a very very warm welcome. आज यानी 12 नवंबर 2025 को हम एक नए चैप्टर की शुरुआत कर रहे हैं. We are not just building a company, we are building a legacy, an ecosystem that will redefine the internet. बहुत से लोग एक्साइटमेंट और थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूजन के साथ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. कुछ नए अपडेट्स आए हैं, कुछ टेक्निकल चीजें हैं जिनको समझना जरूरी है. My goal today is not to complicate things, but to simplify them. I want to talk to you like a friend, बिल्कुल आसान भाषा में, so that each one of you feels empowered and confident. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint, and every small step we take, every new feature we understand, brings us closer to our collective victory. यह जो अपडेट्स आई हैं, खास करके जो विक्ट्री विद ऐश ने हम सब तक पहुंचाई हैं, ये हमारे आने वाले कल के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. थिंक ऑफ इट लाइक दिस, जब हम एक नया घर बनाते हैं तो शुरुआत में छोटी छोटी चीज़ें ठीक करनी पड़ती हैं. कभी प्लम्बिंग, कभी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, कभी पेंट का काम. सिमिलरली, आवर OnPassive ecosystem is our new digital home, and we are in that crucial construction phase. The new profile edit feature, the emphasis on KYC, the password security, ये सब हमारे घर की नींव को मजबूत करने वाले steps हैं. It is very natural to feel a little lost sometimes. पर याद रखिए, हम सब इसमें एक साथ हैं. We are in it to win it, and winning requires learning, adapting, and helping each other grow. In this session, we will break down everything you need to know. We will go step by step through the process of editing your profile. We will understand why matching your name with your official documents is non-negotiable for the upcoming KYC process. I will also walk you through the simple steps to change your password and, most importantly, address the common email verification issues that many of you are facing. बहुत से मेंबर्स परेशान हैं कि उनका वेरिफिकेशन ईमेल नहीं आ रहा या लिंक एक्सपायर हो गया है. डोंट वरी, हर प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन है और आज हम उस सॉल्यूशन को ढूंढेंगे. My request to you is to be patient, listen carefully, and try to understand the logic behind these updates. Remember, technology is a tool. और किसी भी टूल को अच्छे से इस्तेमाल करने के लिए उससे पहले समझना पड़ता है. OnPassive is not just about earning, it's about learning. It's about upgrading ourselves. ये एक मौका है to become tech savvy, to understand the digital world that is shaping our future. So, let's begin this learning journey together with an open mind and a positive attitude. Forget all your tensions and frustrations. Let's focus on the solution, not the problem. Let's empower ourselves with the right knowledge so that when the time comes, we are fully prepared to leverage this incredible platform that we have all been waiting for. Sanhai. Let's start with the most basic and important update, editing your profile. बहुत से फाउंडिंग मेंबर्स ने रजिस्ट्रेशन करते वक्त जल्दी में कुछ गलत डिटेल्स भर दी थी. Maybe a spelling mistake in the name or an incorrect mobile number. पहले ये एक टेंशन की बात थी, but not anymore. OnPassive has listened to our feedback, and now you have the power to correct these mistakes. The process is incredibly simple. आपको बस अपने OnPassive back office यानी अपने O-Founder account में login करना है. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. वहां आपको आपके नाम के साथ एक छोटा सा आइकॉन दिखेगा. Just click on that icon. जैसे ही आप उस आइकॉन पर क्लिक करेंगे, a drop down menu will appear. उसमें आपको My Profile का ऑप्शन दिखेगा. Click on My Profile. This will take you to your personal information page, जहां आपकी सारी डिटेल्स लिस्टेड होंगी. Your name, your email, your country, and so on. यहाँ you will see a button that says Edit Profile. This is the magic button. इस पे क्लिक करते ही you will find that most of your details become editable. आप अपने नाम की स्पेलिंग ठीक कर सकते हैं, अपना मोबाइल नंबर अपडेट कर सकते हैं, और अगर देश गलत सिलेक्ट हो गया है तो उससे भी करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. You can even change your profile picture to something more professional. It's like having complete control over your digital identity within the ecosystem. However, there is one thing you must remember. While you can edit almost everything, there is one piece of information that is locked and cannot be changed: your registered email address. आपका जो ईमेल आईडी आपने रजिस्ट्रेशन के टाइम यूज किया था, वो परमानेंट है. This is a security measure to ensure that the ownership of the account remains with the original founder. So, please be very careful with your registered email. Make sure you always have access to it. बाकी सब कुछ, जैसे आपका नाम, फोन नंबर, कंट्री, ये सब आप आसानी से बदल सकते हैं. So if you made a mistake, there is no need to panic. Just log in, go to my profile, click edit, make the changes, and don't forget to click save. Asan hai? So what is the action you need to take right now? My advice is, even if you think all your details are correct, take 2 minutes to check. Log into your account today. Go to my profile and double check every single detail. Check the spelling of your first name and your last name. Verify your mobile number. Make sure your country is correct. ये एक छोटा सा स्टेप है, लेकिन यह आपको आगे आने वाली बहुत सी परेशानियों से बचा सकता है. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Take charge of your account. Ensure your data is 100% accurate, and then you can relax, knowing that your foundation in the OnPassive ecosystem is solid and correct. Now, let's talk about something extremely crucial. जब आप अपना प्रोफाइल एडिट कर रहे हैं, especially your name, there is one golden rule you absolutely must follow. Your name in the OnPassive profile must be exactly the same as your name on your official government-issued documents. मैं इसको रिपीट करता हूँ, आपका नाम आपके ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स, जैसे कि आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड, पासपोर्ट या ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस से बिल्कुल मैच करना चाहिए. एक भी स्पेलिंग का डिफरेंस नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर आपके डॉक्यूमेंट में नाम रमेश कुमार शर्मा है, तो प्रोफाइल में रमेश के शर्मा या आर के शर्मा मत लिखिए. राइट रमेश कुमार शर्मा. दिस इज नॉट जस्ट अ सजेशन, इट इज अ नेसेसिटी फॉर योर फ्यूचर. आप पूछेंगे, वाई इज दिस सो इम्पोर्टेंट? The answer is a simple 3-letter word: KYC. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. ये एक स्टैंडर्ड वेरिफिकेशन प्रोसेस है जो हर लेजिटिमेट फाइनेंशियल एंड डिजिटल कंपनी को करना पड़ता है. It is a way for the company to verify your identity and ensure that you are a real person. जब OnPassive अपने full-fledged commercial operations शुरू करेगा, and when payouts and commissions start rolling in, you will have to complete your KYC. USS time, the system will automatically compare the name on your OnPassive profile with the name on the documents you submit. अगर मैच नहीं हुआ, your KYC will fail. और अगर KYC fail हुआ, you might face serious delays in receiving your earnings. Think of it from the company's perspective. OnPassive is a global company dealing with millions of users and potentially billions of dollars. They have to comply with international laws against fraud and money laundering. KYC is a way to protect the company and, more importantly, to protect you, the genuine founding member. It ensures that no one else can impersonate you and claim your earnings. So, this rule is your friend, not your enemy. It is a shield that protects your hard-earned position as a founder. इसलिए अभी मौका है. Profile edit feature live है. Go and check your name right now. Make sure every letter, every space is exactly as it appears on your primary official ID. कई लोग creative names या nicknames use करते हैं. For example, Lucky Singh or Digital King. While these names sound cool, they have no place in your official OnPassive profile. Your profile is your professional identity in this business. Please, I request you, use your real full legal name. अगर आपने गलती से कोई और नाम डाल दिया है तो घबराइए मत. The solution is in your hands. Log in, click Edit Profile, and correct it today. Don't wait for the last minute. Don't wait for the KYC process to begin. Do it now. This simple action will save you from a lot of future headaches and ensure a smooth, hassle-free financial journey with OnPassive. Aasan hai. In this digital age, security is not a luxury. It's a necessity. आपका OnPassive account एक खजाने की तरह है, a digital fortress that holds your future. और उस fortress की चाबी है आपका password. It is your personal responsibility to keep this key safe and strong. OnPassive has made it very easy for you to change your password whenever you feel the need. Maybe you feel your current password is too weak, or perhaps you suspect someone else might know it. Don't worry. You can change it in less than a minute. The process is straightforward and is located in the same My Profile section we just discussed. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, log into your OFounder account. Click on your name icon in the top right corner and select My Profile from the menu. Once you are on your profile page, right next to the Edit Profile button, you will see another option. Change Password. Click on it. A new form will appear with 3 fields. The first field will ask for your current password. यहाँ आपको अपना पुराना existing password enter करना है. This is a security check to confirm that it is indeed you, the real account owner, who is trying to change the password. After you have entered your current password, the next 2 fields are for your new password. The second field is New Password. यहाँ आप अपना नया strong password type करें. A good password should be a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. उसको guess करना मुश्किल होना चाहिए. For example, instead of Ramesh123, you could use something like Ramhois 2025. The third and final field is Confirm New Password. यहाँ आपको अपना नया password दोबारा type करना है. This is to make sure you haven't made any typing mistakes. Once you have filled all 3 fields, just click the Save button. That's it. Your password will be changed instantly. My advice to everyone is to review your password. If it's been a while, or if you are using a very simple password, please consider changing it today. Don't use obvious things like your name, your date of birth, or your mobile number. Create something unique and strong. और एक बार आपने पासवर्ड चेंज कर लिया, उसको कहीं सेफ जगह लिख कर रख लें, जहां से आप उससे भूलें नहीं. Your account's security is in your hands. OnPassive provides you with the tools, but you are the gatekeeper. Take this responsibility seriously. A strong password is the first line of defense for your digital fortress. So, go ahead, secure your account, and have peace of mind. Now let's address the elephant in the room. The one issue that is causing a lot of anxiety among new members, the email verification problem. बहुत से लोग हैं जिन्होंने OFounder के लिए register तो कर लिया है, but they are stuck because they haven't received the verification email, या फिर email बहुत देर से आ रहा है. पहले तो मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूं, please don't panic. This is a known issue and you are not alone. The OnPassive technical team is fully aware of it and is working day and night to resolve it. It's important to understand why this is happening. There are 2 main reasons for this delay. The first reason is simply the massive, overwhelming response. Imagine this. Thousands and thousands of people from all over the world are trying to register at the same time. हर कोई excited है. हर कोई जल्दी से ecosystem का हिस्सा बनना चाहता है. This creates an enormous load on the servers. Think of it like a highway. अगर एक साथ बहुत सारी गाड़ियां आ जाएं, तो traffic jam हो जाता है. Similarly, when thousands of requests to send emails hit the server at once, a backlog is created. The system can only send a certain number of emails per minute. इसलिए आपके email को queue में लगना पड़ता है. and it takes time to reach your inbox. This is a sign of success, not failure. It shows how popular OnPassive is. The second reason could be some technical glitches or bottlenecks in the system. जब भी कोई नया लार्ज स्केल सिस्टम लॉन्च होता है, शुरुआती दिनों में ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स आना बहुत नॉर्मल है. No amount of testing can perfectly simulate the real-world load of millions of users. The OnPassive technical team is monitoring the system 24/7. They are identifying these bottlenecks and fixing them on the fly. ये एक continuous improvement का process है. So have faith in our tech team. They are among the best in the world. They are working tirelessly to stabilize the system and ensure a smooth experience for everyone. So the delay is temporary. So what should you do if you are waiting for your email? First, be patient. Tension लेने से email जल्दी नहीं आएगा. Second, make sure you check your spam or junk folder. कभी-कभी automated emails गलती से spam में चले जाते हैं. So, check your inbox thoroughly, including all folders like promotions, social, and spam. If it's still not there, just wait. There is no need to register again with the same email. The system has your request, and the email will come. It might take a few hours, or in some cases, even a day. But it will come. Patience is the key here. Okay, so let's move to the next part of this problem. मान लीजिए आपने वेट किया और आपका वेरिफिकेशन ईमेल आ गया, but it arrived after 24 hours. आपने खुशी-खुशी ईमेल खोला, एक्टिवेट माय अकाउंट लिंक पर क्लिक किया, बट फिर एक एरर मैसेज आ गया. प्लीज वेरीफाई योर ईमेल एड्रेस बिफोर लॉगिंग इन. और आप कंफ्यूज हो गए कि अब क्या करें. This is another common scenario. The reason for this error is simple. The verification link that is sent to you has a validity of only 24 hours. This is a security feature. अगर ईमेल 24 घंटे के बाद आता है, तो वो लिंक एक्सपायर हो चुका होता है. But here is the good news. The solution to this problem is built into the error itself. जब आप उस expired लिंक पर क्लिक करते हैं और आपको वो एरर मैसेज दिखता है, the OnPassive system automatically triggers a new activation email to be sent to your registered email address. This is the key. बहुत से लोग इसको समझ नहीं पाते. वो बार-बार पुराने, expired लिंक पर क्लिक करते रहते हैं और फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं. आपको ऐसा नहीं करना है. The moment you see that error, you should stop and immediately go back to your email inbox. So, let me give you the exact steps. Step 1. You received the email late and clicked the link. You saw the error message. Step 2. Stop. Close that error page. Step 3. Go back to your email inbox and refresh it. Check your spam folder as well. You should find a brand new email from OnPassive. This new email will have a new activation link. Step 4. Click the link in this new email. As long as you click this new link within its 24-hour validity period, your account will be successfully verified and you will be able to log in without any issues. Bilkul aasan hai. The system is designed to help you. The solution is to look for the second email. The first email is now useless. Delete it to avoid confusion. Only use the link from the most recent email you have received after seeing the error. If for some reason you don't get the second email immediately, wait for some time. The server load issue might affect this email as well. But the process remains the same. The system is trying to help you by automatically sending a fresh link. आपको बस थोड़ा सा alert और patient रहना है. Understand the process and you will solve the problem yourself. आसान है. तो दोस्तों, आज हमने कुछ बहुत important चीजों को समझा. We learned how to edit our profile, the critical importance of KYC, how to secure our account with a strong password, and most importantly, how to navigate the email verification challenges. My goal was to replace your confusion with clarity and your anxiety with confidence. OnPassive सिर्फ एक कंपनी नहीं है, ये एक रेवोल्यूशन है, और हर रेवोल्यूशन में शुरुआती दौर में थोड़ी चैलेंजेस आती हैं। जो लोग इन चैलेंजेस को समझकर सीखकर आगे बढ़ते हैं, वही असली विनर बनते हैं। You are not just a user, you are a founding member, a pioneer. It is your responsibility to learn and adapt. टेक्नोलॉजी से डरिए मत, उसको अपना दोस्त बनाइए। ये जो छोटी छोटी टेक्निकल चीजें हैं, जैसे प्रोफाइल एडिट करना, पासवर्ड चेंज करना, ये सब आपको एम्पावर करने के लिए हैं। इनको सीखना आपके लिए एक इन्वेस्टमेंट है। The more you learn, the more you will be able to leverage the power of this incredible AI-driven platform. We are on the verge of something magnificent, something that the world has never seen before. Have faith in Mr. Ashmufare's vision, have faith in our world-class tech team, and most importantly, have faith in yourself. You have the ability to learn and to grow. हर प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन होता है, हमें बस शांति से उसे ढूंढना होता है। मेरा आप सभी फाउंडिंग मेंबर्स को बस यही मैसेज है, स्टे पॉजिटिव, स्टे कनेक्टेड एंड स्टे इन्फॉर्म्ड। डोंट फॉल फॉर रूमर्स और नेगेटिविटी, सिर्फ ऑफिशियल सोर्सेज से ही इंफॉर्मेशन लें। आपका ओ फाउंडर्स बैक ऑफिस आपका सबसे बड़ा सोर्स ऑफ ट्रूथ है। रेगुलरली उसको चेक करते रहिए। वी आर ऑल पार्ट ऑफ दिस इनक्रेडिबल जर्नी टुगेदर। लेट्स हेल्प ईच अदर। अगर आपको कुछ समझ आ गया है तो अपने टीम मेंबर्स को भी समझाइए। नॉलेज बांटने से बढ़ती है। लेट्स क्रिएट अ कम्युनिटी ऑफ एम्पावर्ड, knowledgeable एंड सक्सेसफुल फाउंडर्स। द फ्यूचर इज ब्राइट एंड इट इज आवर्स टू बिल्ड। फाइनली, अगर आपको यह इंफॉर्मेशन यूजफुल लगी और आप चाहते हैं कि मैं ऐसे ही आसान भाषा में आपके लिए और भी अपडेट्स लाता रहूं, तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। इस वीडियो को लाइक करें ताकि यह ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फाउंडिंग मेंबर्स तक पहुंच सके। शेयर इट विद योर टीम्स एंड इन योर ग्रुप्स। और कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बताइए कि आपको और कौन से टॉपिक्स पर क्लैरिटी चाहिए। योर फीडबैक इज़ वेरी वैल्यूएबल। थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम एंड योर पेशेंस। वी आर इन इट टू विन इट। आसान है,